Hello everyone and welcome to Bazara Aviation Academy. Today our video will be from General Book, Chapter 2, Physics. By the end of this video, I hope all the students can able to understand matter and the physical state of it, can define the energy and the type of it, can define the atom and its construction, can understand the mass and the weight, and the last one can define the density. Matter is what all things are made of, whatever occupies space and has a mass. According to the law of conservation, the matter cannot create it or destroy it, but it's possible to change its physical states. What are the physical states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gases. The solid, it has a specific shape and volume. The liquid, it conforms its shape to conforms the container it holds. And the gases, it differ from the solid and liquid in the fact that neither have a volume or shape. Energy is typically defined as something that gives us capacity to do before work. As individual, we can see that we have a full of power to do a lot of work. That probably indicating we have an energy. In the same token, the energy is the ability of matter to do the work. The energy is classified into two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. The potential energy is the energy that's stored in a material, and the potential energy is classified into three groups. The first one, the energy that due to position. The second one, the energy that due to distortion of elastic body. The last one, the energy that reduced work through chemical energy. To calculate the potential energy because of the position, we can use this formula. Potential energy equal to weight multiplied height. Kinetic energy is the second type of energy, and it is the energy of motion. What about the atom? Atom is the smallest unit that can be exist, and the atom consists of three subatomic particles. What are they? The proton, neutron, and electron. The proton and neutron, it's inside the atom, and the electron, it's in the outside of the atom, and we call it in the shield. And it's negative, and the proton and neutron are positive. But we say the neutron is neutral. Molecule is a bond of atoms together, like H2O. Mass. The mass is the amount of matter in an object. By the same token, how many atoms are in an object? Weight is the force which gravity can attract a mass. In other words, is a mutual pull of gravity acting on a mass. Density. Density is the weight per unit volume. When we want to find a volume or when we want to find a density of a material or substance, we need to know the weight and volume of this substance. So, when we want to calculate the density, we need to have the weight and the volume to find the density of a substance. At the end of our subject, don't forget our homework. Which physical state of matter is incompressible and which is incompressible?